What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to just be taking down my hair. So this is an impromptu video because I was getting ready to take down my hair. I recently stretched my hair and I was getting ready to take it down, out of these braids because we're getting ready to go somewhere. And then I thought, well, you know what? They may want to see what I'm doing. So anyway, because I recently stretched my hair and I clipped my ends don't stay together. I can't coil them as well and stuff like that on dry hair. So to go to sleep and to keep my hair stretched until I decide what kind of style I want to do, I just put my hair in these braids, plaids, braids, whatever you want to call them. So I just did 3 on this side and 3 on this side, and I just put small little rubber bands on the ends, just like I said, to keep them braided. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. I just did it because otherwise these braids will come loose because my ends are so blunt, if you know what I mean. So I just put these little braids on, and I was actually going to just put one. I just put the little rubber bands on, and I was actually going to do one just to hold all 3 of them, but because this is so much shorter than this, it didn't do well. So I just put these 2 together, and then I put one on the front, if that makes sense. So now I'm getting ready to take them down, and we're just gonna see what my hair looks like. Hopefully I have some type of little crimp or something that will look like good enough to go out of the house. If not, I'm just gonna pin it up. But I didn't put any product on my hair or anything like that. The only thing on my hair is the same heat protectant that I used to blow it out. I have not added any other product to my hair. So hopefully I can get some kind of like little beachy waves or something. And again, it was only in overnight, so I don't expect too much. Had I left them in longer, maybe I would have gotten more if I had put some mousse or something like that on it to help hold it, but I didn't want to do that because I'm still waiting for you guys to tell me what you guys want me to do to my hair. So I just braided it up. So now I'm just going to take it down and let you guys see it, just because like I said, this wasn't a video I had planned on doing, but then I said, you know what, why not? Because if you end up seeing my hair in a picture or something like that, you may want to know what the style is. So that is that side. I don't want to separate too much because then it'll just be frizz, it'll just look like I blowed it out and there are no waves or anything. So I'm not gonna mess with it too much. But yeah, this is it. Gives you an idea to see what my hair looks like stretched. The problem is I wasn't able to like do anything to the ends, so the ends were just kind of straight. But that's okay, we're gonna make it work. It's gonna get me through what I needed to get me through real quick today. So yeah, I wish I could have like curled those ends or something so they wouldn't be sticking out so much. And I got a part in the back that I need to try to get out. Too much fluffing I can do. Ouch, poke myself in the neck. All right, for some reason this is a little bit fluffier and frizzier Well, shoot, it's all getting frizzy. Anyway. This is what I look like with a middle part. Not sure if I'm liking that or not. Hopefully I got the part out. Let me let you see the back. Okay, so that is my hair. So this is what I'm dealing with today. I just got to run out and do a quick errand and come back home, so no big deal. So yeah, guys, just wanted to share with you my hair, how I slept with it once I straightened it overnight, and then I've gotten the results back from you guys, so now I need to start trying to get that hairstyle done. So yeah, this will get me through today. Let me see. I'm not sure if I'm liking that middle part. Let me see what it'll look like if I pull some hair over. That looks a little sexy, ain't it? No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to act with my hair, with my hair straight. So yeah, I can pull it over to the side. If I can get it to stay, I might have to clip it or something, but this is how it'll look with the side part. I don't want to comb it because I'm gonna comb the wave out of it. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, guys, that's it. So I can do a middle part or I can do a side part, but for today, because I'm messing it up, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it as is. Go ahead and run my errand real quick, and then I'll be back. So again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.